Doug Wagon. Doug Wagon. Autumn. Doug Wagon. It's autumn time.
Yeah, it sure is.
And you know, this moon is also known as the Benakwe-Jesus.
Benakwe-Jesus.
Benakwe-Jesus. Leaves falling moon. So in the spirit of the day, here's a song. To, I don't know, commemorate autumn?
Is that what we're
This is
doing?
by Pink Floyd.
All right.
Floating down through the clouds, memories come rushing up to meet me now. But in the space between the heavens and the corner of a foreign field, I had a dream. Goodbye, Max. Goodbye, Mom. After the service, when you're walking slowly to the car, and the silver in her hair shines in the cold November air, you hear the tolling bell and touch the silk of her lapel. And as the teardrops rise to meet the comfort of the band, you take her frail hand, hold on to the dream.
Na, 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 na. Na, na, na. Do, do, do. Na, 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 na. Hey, hey.
A place to stay, enough to eat, somewhere old heroes shuffle safely down the street, where you can speak out loud about your doubts and fears. What's more, no one ever disappears. You never hear their standard issue kicking in your door. You can relax on both sides of the tracks, and maniacs don't blow holes in bandsmen by remote control. And everyone has recourse to the law, and no one kills the children anymore. No one kills the children anymore. Night after night, going round and around my brain, this dream is driving me insane. In the corner of a foreign field, A gunner sleeps tonight. What's done is done. We cannot just write off this final scene. Take heed of his dream.
Take heed of his dream. Oh.
Welcome to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I'm happy to be here with you today to speak Ojibwe and learn about language and culture. Shoot. And this is it. Welcome to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I'm happy to be here with you today to speak Ojibwe and learn about the language and culture.
All right. Hey, everybody. BOOZHOO. Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. My name is Natasha. Natasha Nindijanikaz. No. But, you could call me Auntie Tasha. You could call me your sweetheart. No. And over here, the one and only, the man of my dreams. Would you get out of here? NANABOOZHOO, Ikadon BOOZHOO, Ni Weenie Mushane. Say hello, my sweetheart. Okay, BOOZHOO.
I still dream of logging on. I wake up crying, you're making rain, and you're just in reach. When you in sleep escape me, you're like my yo-yo that glowed in the dark. What made it special made it dangerous, so I'll bury it and forget. But every time it rains, you're here in my head, like the sun coming out. Ooh, I just know that something good is gonna happen. I don't know when, but just saying it could even make it happen. On top of the world,
looking over the edge. You could see them coming. You look too small in their big black car to be a threat to the men in power. I hit my yo-yo in the garden. I can't hide you from the government. Oh God, Daddy, I won't forget. But every time it rains, you're here in my head, like the sun coming out. Ooh, I just know that something good is gonna happen. I don't know when, but just saying it could even make it happen. And just saying it could even make it happen. Hey, hey, hey. My sweetheart. Okay, BOOZHOO, Gakina Awiya. How are you, everybody? Welcome back to the show.
She said it's none of my business, but it breaks my heart. Dropped a dozen cheap roses in my shopping cart. Made it out to the truck without breaking down. Everybody knows you in a speed trap town. And it's a Thursday night, but there's a high school game. Sneak a bottle up the bleachers and forget my name. These 5A bastards run a shallow cross. It's a boy's last dream and a man's first loss. It never did occur to me to leave till tonight, when there's no one left to ask if I'm alright. I'll sleep until I'm straight enough to drive, then decide if there's anything that can't be left behind. Doctor said Daddy couldn't make it a year, but the holidays are over and he's still here. How long can they keep you in the ICU? Veins through the skin like a faded tattoo. It was a tough state trooper till a decade back, when that girl who was her mama caused his heart attack. Never did occur to me to leave till the night when I realized he'll never be alright. I signed my name and I said my last goodbye, and decide that there's nothing left that can't be left behind. The road got blurry when the sun came up, so I slept a couple hours in my pickup truck. Had a cup of coffee at an Indian mound, 1,000 miles away from that speed trap town. Never did occur to me to leave. It never did occur to me to leave. Oh, how you doing there, sweetheart?
Oh, I'm doing pretty good.
Should we sing a song?
A song?
Do you know any good car songs?
Oh, let me think. I don't know.
Let's see, what's a good car song?
I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. Now you're my one, and you're my only regret. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. And I lost my job just the other day, and like everybody else, well, I've got a mountain of bills that need to be paid. Then I lost my way, now I don't know which way to go. But the wind may blow and the grass may grow. For all we know, it just might snow. And what'll I do? What'll we become when the day is over and the night's begun? What'll I do about me and you? I told you before, we aren't so through. But I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. And I'm so sorry, I never treat you like that again. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. sit up at night just so I could watch ya. I wrote on my bedroom wall, Michael loves Natasha. But I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said. But I'm so sorry, I'd never treat you like that again. I never meant one word, I never meant one word, I never meant one word I said.
Hang in there, little cutie. You'll work it out, OJIBWE replied, and quickly darted away. But it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, and you'll never forget it. One day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say that these were the golden days. And one day, when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say this was the price I paid. So it goes, or so they say. Time's like a mountainscape. Well, I don't know, but I can't complain. God knows I've got my own escape. And sometimes I just might, even in the middle of the night. Well, sometimes and someday, sometimes, well, I wake and bake. But it's got nothing to do with you. I've got no one, still you won't do. And after today I'd say we are quite through. But I know you won't break down, you won't miss a step, you won't be around, and you'll never regret it. One day, when I'm old and gray, I might look back and say that these were the golden days. One day, when I'm old and I'm gray, I might look back and say this was the price I paid. Even in the middle of the day, Stephen grins a little, so they say. Sometimes, well, I wake and bake.
And yesterday, when we left off, little cutie had run away from home. And he met who did he meet?
OJIBWE.
Yeah, a OJIBWE, squirrel. That's squirrel in Ojibwe. Oh. now, 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 now. Doo-doo. And up, ooh.
Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, it's older than the trees, younger than the mountains, blowing like a breeze. Country roads take me home to the place where I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Down country roads, take me home. Down country roads.
Down country roads.
Okay, here.